The conditional operators. The conditional operators, that is question mark and dot, are sometimes called ternary operators since they take three arguments. In fact, they form a kind of foreshortened if then else. That means conditional operators are used when we take three arguments. So their general form is expression, then a double dot, then question mark, expression 2, then dot, and then expression 3. So it is its general form of those conditional operators. So conditional operators are basically it represents conditions. So if one expression is true, then perform another expression, etc. So that kind of mechanism it has. What this expression says is, if expression 1 is true, that is if its value is non-zero, that means if expression 1 is true, then the value returned will be expression 2, otherwise value returned will be expression 3. So it is basically comparing from one expression to another expression. Int x comma y, so x and y are integers, then scanf %d comma ampersand x, y is equal to x greater than 5 question mark 3 2 dots and 4. So this statement will store 3 in y if x is greater than 5. So it will store 3 in y if x is greater than 5. Otherwise it will store 4 in y. So if x is less than 5, it will store 4 in y, or it will store or if x is greater than 5, it will store 3 in y. Now we will see the equivalent if statement. So if x is greater than 5, y is 3, else y is 4. That means, so this is an equivalent if else statement for a conditional operator. Now char a int y, scanf %c ampersand a. So y is equal to a, which is greater than or equal to 65, and a is less than or equal to 90, then 1 or 0. So here 1 would be assigned to y if a is greater than or equal to 65 and a is less than 90. So if this expression is evaluates to true, then it will store 1 in y, or otherwise 0 will be stored. So if both expressions are not true, then it will store 0. If it is true, it will store 1. A. It is not necessary that the conditional operator should be used only in arithmetic statements. That means it should not only be used in arithmetic statements. Example, integer I, scanf %d comma ampersand I. So if I is equal to 1 question mark printf Amit, or double dot printf all and sundry. That means this is different statement, a different sentence, that is print Amit or printf another statement. So not only arithmetic operations but also printf command can be used, using conditional operators. Example, char a is equal to z, printf %c comma a is greater than or equal to a question mark a double dot not. So it is not necessary that only the arithmetic instructions are used. Other instructions such as printf can also be used while using conditional operation.